don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Canon QR code A, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amabenza TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Orbit College 0. I'm joined by Pig.
Sibo, compliments my guy.
Yeah.
I'll be short.
Yeah.
What I would like to say is that good game by Mamelodi Sundowns. Our wise coach once said, whom much is given, much is expected.
Amen.
That is what we were expecting today.
Yeah.
And you have heard our voice when we're saying you must substitute as early as possible.
Yeah.
If you see that the train is not moving, substitute so that the train can move.
Yeah.
I'm happy that he gave those new players some chance today. Yeah. And they have to prove themselves.
Yeah.
And I'm happy that Leon given a chance, proving himself. Sibia, oh, what a wonder.
Quality.
I'm telling you.
Quality.
That boy, the overlap that he was doing, it was fruitful.
Yeah.
Bringing in the crosses.
Yeah.
Our strikers, they had to just finish.
Yeah.
Sales, just proving himself also.
Yeah.
I'm happy for Sundowns that they are showing that we want this league.
Yeah.
Remember, champions know how to win. Champions knows how to win the trophies.
Yes.
Coach just have to stick with the plans.
Yeah.
It's just as simple as that, my guy.
Yeah.
Today's game, it has proved that when you listen to the supporters as well, don't be stubborn.
Yeah.
Because we are here to cheer all those boys and give them motivation.
That's true.
And if you're not here, they will not win.
That's true.
I'm so very proud to say, guys, big up. Now we are on number 1. What is left from us is just to up the standards.
Yeah.
Let's go there.
Yeah.
CAF Champions League, we have to go there.
Yeah.
It's ours.
Yeah.
We know it's ours. Last season we slipped silly mistakes, but we cannot afford to lose it.
Yeah.
So Stibo, Sundowns is going forward. I'm happy with the performance of today. 2-0, I'm happy. Even though it was supposed to be more, but they showed character. Thank you, Stibo.
Thank you, Pig.